Hey, my name is Chelsea Noah, and I'm a second grade ELA teacher here at Patriot STEM Elementary. This year, I've been able to experiment a lot with technology integration into my reading and writing lessons. So, with all the resources here at this school, that's a pretty easy task to do with just a little bit of brainstorming and planning. So, one of the ways that I integrate technology is through homemade videos, and the kids love these. So, for example, I created a video of myself and a few student actors acting out short scenes. With a little editing on iMovie, I was able to use that video as a demonstration on making inferences about character traits based on what the characters do and what the characters say. So rather than only showing my students how to do that with characters in a book, I got to demonstrate that first using real live people and ourselves. So that made it really fun. I also create a flipped classroom by pre-recording lessons on my laptop or on the iPad using a really cool app, Edu Creations. And each week I'll upload a 10-minute spelling lesson to my website. And these lessons can include like a brief explanation of the sort for that week, of the pattern that they're learning, and a little 5-question quiz that they can complete on a scratch sheet of paper. This enables me to direct more explicit phonics instruction to the students, to only the students who need it, while I work with other students. And so it frees me up in the classroom, but it holds the students accountable for their work. They're not just watching a video and, not doing anything. They have to complete a quiz and turn that in. I also let my students plan and create videos of their own on occasion when I think there's a skill that they would be really great at teaching. So they record these lessons on the iPad, and then my eventual goal is to create a page where all of these can be posted so that other kids can use them to study at home or get homework help. If anything, it provides the student teachers an opportunity to learn through teaching others without feeling on the spot or embarrassed. I also use Blend Space to create lessons. This is also a really cool, app page that guides students through steps of a lesson on the computer. So, you could throw in directions on the first screen, add a video from another website, and just pile it all in there, blend it all together. And then I use iPods for my fluency intervention, so the kids are not only reading the passage over and over, they're hearing it being read correctly and fluently. I just love technology and incorporating that in my literacy instruction because it just allows for so much. It frees me up to work with other students. It allows me to differentiate. And then it allows for collaboration. So, for example, my colleague whom I plan with made a video doing a read aloud. And I was able to use that video in my classroom to create a listen to reading station for our Thanksgiving project we were doing some research on. And it was so cool getting to see other students from my class see her in the hallway saying, "Hey, you've taught me before. I saw you on the iPad. You read a story to me." So that was really cool that they got to learn from another teacher right here in our building. And that is how I use technology in my classroom.